The Singer Promise 2 Model 1512 comes with 4 accessory feet, and of course many more that you can find at Singer's website. But there is a zipper foot included with this machine. So first off, before you do anything, make sure you're on a straight stitch. Using the center straight stitch is the nice middle stitch length option. Now as you notice on the zipper foot, there are 2 sides you can attach this foot to, a right side and a left side. So depending on which side of the zipper you're actually sewing on, the goal is to ride the foot beside the teeth, and then that way you can get the needle directly right close to where the bulk of the teeth are. First, I'm a big fan of extra long zippers. So to start off with the zippers, you're going to put the zipper and the fabric right sides together. Now when you do have a long zipper, that means you can just place it in the middle. All your patterns will guide you on what your first seam will actually be. So now as we look at this particular first seam, you can see that we need to be attached to the left side of the zipper foot. So touch the little lever on the back that will drop off your other foot, and then just move the zipper foot directly under that little claw, and then lower the presser foot until it clicks. If it doesn't want to click, just move the foot a little bit more towards you. I know that seems weird, but that's what will get it to attach. So now you can see that as we slide the foot into position to sew a straight stitch, it's going to stitch right between the toe and the teeth and allow us to put the construction seam together. When done, you'll notice that your next seam is usually where you're going to take the fabric, press it open, and then do a little top stitching. Now if this is a big bulk of fabric, you'll want to switch the foot to the right side and then just top stitch in place. Something small like this, you could just turn it around and set the presser foot down and stitch again. It's really not that hard to put a zipper in. You'll see that your next side will probably look something like this. You'll want to sew with your zipper on the top, and you'll repeat what you just did the first time on the second side.